Precision has been in business for around 23, 24 years now. We've grown tremendously. We serve customers in the community, customers that need garage door repairs.
What makes us different than any other garage door company out there is our service, and we really believe in serving the customer. What we offer to our customers is we can come out, repair, maintenance the garage door. We can also install a new garage door for a customer.
Sandy with Higginbotham has met our expectations and has exceeded it. She has a personal touch with our whole team. She talks to them daily. She'll stop by the office every couple of months just to say hello and really wants to know what we're doing with our business operationally so that she can understand better how she could be a better partner and serve us.
It's important to have a broker work with you that really cares and wants to see your business grow, because you're reducing that risk and liability for going into new territory and also as you grow as a company.
Since working with Higginbotham, it's exceeded our expectations because we have dedicated individuals that help our business needs. The communication has been excellent. I mean, within 1 hour we get a call back. If we ever send out a 911, we need to talk to somebody right now, we get a call immediately. They've been a proactive business partner as far as limiting our risk and liability claims that we've received throughout the years.
Higginbotham really cares about us, all the way from Sandy Grimes to Michelle Bernier. They have really made that personal touch with us. It gives us peace of mind knowing that Higginbotham has our back.